the members are turning up now on their bikes. Some really interesting ones. Well, they're all interesting, but
I love that.
right, Aidan.
Bernie.
Have you won?
Beautiful example. This Yamaha 250. Beautiful. The CBX 1000. Fantastic. That's Rob's Honda, the dirt bike. Not sure who owns the Harley. That's my Enfield Interceptor. You on this one, Gary? Are you on this?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Fantastic.
It's its first go.
Is it?
Literally the ride here.
Really?
First time I had it in top gear.
Oh right, okay.
I rode it up our road and got it up to second.
How many gears has it got?
Only 3.
Right.
Come on, it's over 100 years old.
Oh.
just shy of 100 years.
Is it?
Yeah, 99 years old.
That's amazing, that.
So pre-1960s, the old bikes park up here at the front.
coming, it's coming.
I'm spitting feathers here. No, I'm all right, look.
Yeah? Okay.
Thanks for asking.
Right. Oh, sorry.
I'm fixed up.
Oh yeah, oh good. Well done.
I've ordered myself a sausage cob.
Right, okay.
It's a shame, I just hope the weather keeps fine as well.
Yeah, it does get, as long as it stays dry, that's all. Isn't it, Les?
I agree.
Oh, you've got to get some breakfast out now, haven't we? Shall I do the route or shall we shortcut? It's up to you, Rob, what you want to do. Because the old way, that bridge is open now.
Yeah.
Another bridge. The short route's open. Where's Clifton Countville? Go that way if you want. Yeah, it's up to you.
Go back to.
Yeah, straight back, yeah. We had a massive big downpour, so we have to wait.
We had one here as well.
Yeah.
As you can see from all the puddles.
Yeah, we have to wait, it's chucking it down.
Yeah.
Wash your back, chaps. Through here, down here. Oh, the 1970s.
It's a great leveller, rain.
The members now are voting on their choice of best bike, and best of show will be done by the landlord or landlady. Details of all the bikes. It's 1957. $1 set. Oh, cheers. Thank you.
Pulled out of and turned right.
Some lovely bikes here. Norton ES2. 500 single. Yeah. BMW. What year is that? 1963. Boxer. Beautiful. John's got quite a few bikes. He does most of the work himself, or all the work himself, to be honest. We're getting up to the 1970s now. Yamaha overhead cam 650. Twin. John, that must be absolutely sacrilege coming back in that muck.
Oh no, it was terrible. I got covered in horse shit yesterday when I took it out for a ride.
Oh so, dear, you have to clean it all again.
So I had to clean it. And
I know.
It was fine until we just come back up.
I know. Never mind. It's a lovely bike.
Yes, thank you.
2-stroke, isn't it?
Yes.
It's a Ducati V-twin. In 1975. That's 25 and 25. 51 years old. CBX, it's that 1000, yeah. 6 gears, 6 cylinders. And the only one in the 1980s. XBR 500. Again, all covered in muck now.
Well, that went. I went to Spain.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, there's more bikes around here. There's more bikes around the corner. More bikes around the corner if you want to have a look at those as well.
Give them everything else you possibly can along the way.
Got a pen.
Cheers.
Yeah.
The official returning officer for the ballot today.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, okay.
She's always in charge.
Bill said you're always in charge, he says, Stu.
Don't believe him, he tells lies.
Is it all right?
Right, okay, everybody. Starts at the bottom, pre-1960s, and it's Roy Gameson, getting 32 points. Roy, where are you? Starts at the bottom right there. Yep. Which bike?
What bike?
What bike?
Really? Oh, well done, Roy.
Nice bike. Surely shot bike, John. Yes.
Come on, John.
Recount. Yours. John, it's you.
Yeah, but there's 2 Johns. 2 Johns. No, this John's not Judy.
It's John Pamela. No, it's Mr. Pamela.
John Wayne.
Okay, 1970s next.
John, it was your scooter that won, John.
And it's Chris Boothby Watts. Where are you, Chris? What's the bike?
Chris Boothby.
Chris, what bike?
What bike?
Ducati.
Yeah, man.
Hey. Well done.
Right now, the 1980s is an interesting one. because we only had one 1980s bike, which was Pete Kirby. He got 40 points, he got more than anybody else in the club. So Pete, 1980s.
Can we have a recount, please?
If it didn't win, there'd be something wrong.
Who voted for him?
The opposition in this class was tremendous.
Well done, Pete.
Thank you very much.
Well done, Pete.
First thing, don't drop it.
No.
Okay, folks. Best 1990s. Alistair Sherwood with his GPZ 500.
Hey!
Thank you.
Committee.
1990s.
Thank you very much. Cheers, thank you.
Well done, Ali.
Can we just say while Alistair's here as well, you know he's doing the longest day run. We've raised £73, 10 pence for him today as well, with you guys giving you loose change. Thank you.
Appreciate it very much. Cheers.
Okay, 2000 to 2010. The winner's Ian Gibson.
Whoa!
And he's got his
I didn't expect that.
Royal Enfield.
No.
Which one?
Triumph.
Triumph.
Triumph, sorry.
He doesn't even know. So.
Yeah, well,
Thank you very
when
much.
you've been down to say yes, you've got that. Well done.
Cheers.
And the sun's shining. Oh no, that's
And the biggest fix of the day in the 2010 to 2020 class is our illustrious chairman, Bernard.
Is it? Oh!
gosh.
You'll have to hold that then. With his 2019 Royal Enfield. Thank you. No speech.
Bernard,
Go on.
you haven't even got your piss pad on it.
Thank you, Bernie.
That's the second big win I've had in the last 2 weeks.
Hey.
You can turn the speaker on when you do it.
Oh, right, okay. Sorry.
He didn't need it, did he?
Can somebody hold his camera for a second? Right, we're going to go and grab Danny now.
You've already grabbed
We've already grabbed it. Danny can have a look around and she's going to choose the best in show.
I've already looked, I've been looking.
She's been looking.
You may have looked at me trying to figure out where the bike went. It disappeared for 10 minutes, but we found it again.
And can I just say, whoever wins the Bike of the Show trophy
The name will go on it.
gets the name put on the shield for a year.
Wow.
And then return to the club for the next 9 years.
And you only have to buy me 5 drinks if it's your bike that I've
A week.
I don't know much about bikes, but I appreciate a good looking bike. So that's what I've judged it on. So you might hate me, but
we'll show you the bike that Danny's chose.
I know which one you've chosen.
you don't know what I've chosen.
You want to follow?
Go on, I'll follow you.
It's getting warmer and warmer.
That Nissan Qashqai is not a bike, you know.
So, my choice
The Honda.
is this
The
lovely.
Honda CBX.
Whose is this bike?
Honda CBX.
Where is he?
Who's the winner?
Audley!
Congratulations.
Danny's chosen his bike of the show.
Well done.
Get the big trophy.
And I don't know if you missed it, but you owe me 100 points.
Yeah.
Well done.
Well done, Audley.
She did, Dan, did you say she doesn't know anything about bikes?
She said she knows
It
what she
caught
likes.
my eye. I loved it when it come in, and it's my winner of the day.
It's nice.
Your name will go on the shield.
Dan, you know you've got to go on the back of it.
I'm going on the back of all of them in a minute.
So we'll talk about the shield. It's going to be as round the field, I think.
Hey, we were told
Well done.
allowed it on the field.
Closer to your mouth.
Everybody's got a prize. Can you get together for a photo?
Oh, in that case, I'll go back and sit down then. Make sure you film it.
Audley,
Picture.
come down here, mate.
Make sure you take his money.
And we got this truck. Filming.
you are with
Are you filming?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, it's filming. It's filming at the moment. Just
Filming?
Yeah, yes. Just keep it on the group.
All right. Sorry, guys.
You got to have a photograph of all these bridesmaids. Especially the cheats. Oh, sorry.
See you there.
Got everybody with a trophy.